Hey, Jay Will, back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to set up a direct linking campaign without using a website with any ClickBank product. I'm gonna choose a random product. I already researched on it, and I'm gonna help you guys set a campaign up for it. All right, once you log into your ClickBank account, go to the marketplace, go to the health and fitness niche or any niche you want. I'm just gonna choose. Let me see. Let me see. Second page. All right, we're gonna do average commission, 140 gravity. Okay, we're gonna use this product right here. A health product for your eyes. All right, so what you wanna do, if you don't have a ClickMagic account, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. To sign up, you must have this, the direct link. You must have a tracking tool. And this is how you're gonna do it. Okay. And hit promote. No, and then click tracking ID, just put anything right there. Generate hot link. Grab your hot link. Copy that. Swing over to ClickMagic. Create a new link. Link name. Revision. Erase this. Paste that link in here. Right here, you would go to filter. I block everything. I block everything. To block all the bots out, everything. Abusers, block everything out. So you won't get them bot clicks. All right, right here, click on the ranch. Go down to ClickBank affiliate right there. Bow, create link. Got our link created. Bow, okay. Swing on over to Bing ads. You see. Okay, create a new campaign. Boom. It is to my website, search ads. I'm gonna start my budget out about $100 a day. Gonna name it Revision. I'm gonna target United States. Canada. Australia. New Zealand. The reason you want to target these countries is because they are pretty much high in the dollar value. You don't want to target a low country that can't really afford this product. What else? United Kingdom. Okay, target. Unsearch this. Keep this. People in your target locations. Save and go to next step. Next step, ad group name, gonna be Revision. All right, now what we're gonna do brand bidding. So I go to my keyword tool, type in Revision. You can do order revision if you want to. Buy revision. Okay, I spelled it right. All right, then I do exact match. I also do broad match modifier. Copy those words. Swing back over to Microsoft. Put the words in here. There we go. Make sure I spelled that right. Revision. Okay, I spelled that right. All right. Create ad. Now, when I create my ad, I like to go steal people's ideas. So, I already have it pulled up right here. You can do revision official site, revision brain and eyes. I like this. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna copy this headline, revision, brain eyes. Eyes. Let me do something like up to 90% off plus free shipping. Okay, I can do 90%, percent off today only. Then I can do here, free shipping. Come here. Free shipping, let me see. Description, you can go copy description if you want to. Copy the description. It's the easiest way to get started. Easiest way to get started. Order now, blah, 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 get that. And I can say 90% off today only. Wow. Okay. Now we swing over back over to ClickMagick. Where is the revision at? Revision right here. I'm gonna grab this link. You can put this link in the tracking template right here. If you have to pause this video, pause it, rewind it if you need to see this over again. You type in query stream, close. The reason you type in query stream because you want to know what the people typed in to get the sale. Whatever sale you make, this will show you exactly what they typed in for you to make this sale. And you can type in device show you what they're using, a mobile phone or a computer. And what you want to do, you paste that up in here. Then you grab the official link from up here. I will grab this, copy this, go back to Microsoft Ads. I will place this in the final URL. Place this in the mobile URL. Bam. There you go. Save. I can bid. I'm gonna start my bid at $5. You can start lower than that if you want to. I'm gonna start my bid at $5. Add distribution. Make sure you do Bing only. Bing and Yahoo only. Save, and there you go. Campaign created. So that's how you create a direct linking campaign from scratch. I will leave the ClickMagick tracking tool in the description below. You will need that tool for this to direct link. You need that tool to know how to track your campaign, track exactly what's happening, what's going on. So in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, and follow me on Instagram at JWillTV.